Whoa. Eric, let's kill this milk.
It's not gonna stick, girl. It's not. Is it packing? Oh yeah, this is wet, gross stuff. Let's let it snow for a little bit longer. When it gets below freezing, we'll build a snowman, and it's going to get below freezing. It's going to get below freezing here really soon. But there's a red bird. Was it cardinals and stuff? If you see a cardinal and blah blah, it's gonna snow, something like that. I can't remember. It's something along them lines. This cardinal comes out in spring. Let me know in the comments below if you know the whole saying. Comments below. Why is he talking to himself?
No.
Oh shit, that's slick.
Can you help?
I'm trying to think.
Snow jump?
I'm thinking of something to do with.
Yes, there is.
I said I'm thinking of something to do with it. Help you scoop the snow up.
Shovel. Shovel.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Shovel.
Everywhere you go.
Eric, grab the shovel.
I don't think I have a flat one. I'm gonna look.
There. That's good.
Hey, how's it going? This came out of nowhere, didn't it? Yeah, I like it. Hopefully it keeps this up and the temperature drops. We wake up and there's about a foot in the ground.
Yeah, that was awesome.
My fingers are crossed.
Ew. Clean it. Clean it. I was talking about cleaning the thing.
No, I'm giving you snow to build a snowman.
Hey, you're shoveling my thing.
Stupid nails. Oh no! My camera dropped.
No, with food.
You don't like the snow, girl? My little kitty. I'm all gogged out now. Up in the sea goes. Look at the dropper. Let's find out. Some of them. That's what I was looking for. tree scary. You need gloves back. Where's your gloves?
I'm stuck on the slide. I'm stuck on the slide.
We got quite a bit of snow.
Could we go snowboard?
No.
Help! I'm stuck in the snow.
There's a lot of snow out here.
I'm getting away.
Hey, y'all, come here. Come here. All y'all, come here. Hayden. Hayden. John, come here. Where's he at? Hayden, come here.
I was trying to climb like a penguin.
Alright. This is the final aftermath of Blizzard 2020. Southern Blizzard. I don't think the mail ever ran. Tracks indicate that the mail never ran. It's too cold for laser beams. As well. Come here, all y'all. Come here. All four of y'all stand right here.
I got snow in my boot. Could I get the snow out of my boot?
Yeah.
We are soaking.
Hayden, get right here. Hayden, come here.
I can bounce, I think.
All right, stop. Look. Everybody smile one time.
I'm not a smiler. John, talk! Put the sun. Okay, I'm bounced. Study some snowy stairs. Snowy stairs and not die. It's living in a bit of a man, it's changeable. Fresh snow. I love that sound though. Snow crunching on your tires or feet. My gears are doing weird things right now. All right, one more time, I'm going inside. It's good, one more time. I'm not dead by the time I get up there. It's not rocky yet. Ah, it's so good. Oh. Oh, my hands hurt. Holy crap. Bloody hell. No ball fight yet. No ball fight yet.
Sure.
No, I missed. Oh no. Give me a second. No. I'm trying to make mine.
Oh no! Here, come here. Let me get it off your head. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Let me get it off your head. Yeah, we're gonna have to go in a minute because you got stuff all over. You're just breaking crumbs off that and throwing it. Don't fall. Be careful running.
Stop rolling.
Why? Why start? You're a turd. Wait, get up. We're going back inside for a minute, let it get colder.
No.
Yeah, we gotta go.